Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through how to turn on off vibration for incoming calls. So if you want to turn on vibration or you want to turn it off on your phone for incoming calls, has a quick guide on how to do it. First thing you have to do is open up your settings. Once you open your settings, scroll down a little bit, then tap on the sound and haptics. So under sound and haptics, then for incoming calls, so for incoming calls to enter, then definitely the incoming calls will definitely ring out. So for you to be able to turn the vibration on and off for the incoming calls, then we have to tap on a ringtone, because when incoming calls is coming in, it comes with an alert, and the alert is said to be called ringtone. So for you to be able to turn off the vibration for incoming, then tap on the ringtone. Then at the top there you can see the vibration option. That is where you can configure the vibration option. So for you to be able to turn off the vibration option, you have to scroll down all the way down, then tap on none. So once the none button is being checked, that means whenever a call is coming through your phone will not vibrate. And if this is set to any of these specific options, start from the standard option, which is the accent, alert, outbeat, all of these options, they are vibrating option. But the default by settings from Apple is this synchronized. So if any of these options is being checked on your phone, this means that your phone is under vibration when incoming calls are coming in. So that is how you can turn off incoming calls. That's how you can turn off vibration for incoming calls, or turn on or off vibration for incoming calls on iPhone. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.